Lately, it seems like everyone talking about capsule wardrobe. If you never heard or didn't get a chance to create one, that's okay. That's why I'm here, and today we will go all through details to create that capsule wardrobe. I don't have one either, so grab a pen, notebook, and be ready to take some notes. Hi, my name is Masha and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're talking about capsule wardrobe. The capsule wardrobe is the core key pieces of our wardrobe. It's a mini wardrobe made up with really versatile pieces that you love to wear. We all have different lifestyles and every single one of us has different needs from our wardrobe. So the capsule wardrobe should be tailored around that and be incredibly versatile. The beauty of the capsule wardrobe that everything goes together and it's a foundation of your wardrobe. If you have these pieces, you can add anything you want to make it versatile and inject your personality. So without further ado, let's get started. I have a gaps in my wardrobe and I'm still in process of finding that perfect, adored, timeless pieces for my capsule. My current wardrobe is chaotic, where I have random pieces that I love and potentially they're not always work with each other. But I'm working on that more structured capsule wardrobe. Capsule wardrobe can help save you money, time, and overall simplify our busy lifestyle. Everything that I will show you today, I will link in the description box. First of all, I want to start with the sweaters. When it comes to the cold weather layering, I want to talk about 4 different types of sweater. When it comes to the color, try to choose black, white, brown, or choose some neutral colors. Basic cable knit oversized sweater, comfortable and versatile. This sweater is perfect on its own or as layered under blazer or jacket. Next one, long sleeve turtleneck sweater. As you can see, I'm wearing today my brown turtleneck sweater. This is incredibly soft and there's so much you can do with this. Of course, you can get it what suits you the best. For example, if you're not a fan of tight knits, you can get a looser, flatted or different neckline. This great piece for layering to wear underneath blazer, coat, and it will look really chic. Next one, I want to talk about long sleeve sweatshirt pullover or hoodie. This hoodie is the ideal choice in your wardrobe. One of the best choice for fall and winter outfits. Easy to match with pants, jeans, joggers, sweatpants, and you can match anything you like. Inside, like short, tank top, crop top. This type of hoodie can be paired with jeans, shorts, leggings, very comfortable and practical outfits. Long sleeve cardigan sweater. Cardigan is one of that piece that you will live in during the season. It's a great throw on and go capsule piece. Cardigan, it's another wonderful piece. Can be layered over a t-shirt, long sleeve top or dress. It can be paired with a jeans or boots. Next, let's talk about sweater dress. In this capsule wardrobe, I included 2 elevated stylish dresses. Try to stick with neutral tones, patterns, and solid prints. You can choose any length, again, depending on your preference and lifestyle. For winter, add a long sleeve dress to your wardrobe. It's super versatile, easy to style, great with coat, jacket, trench coat, leggings, boots, very charming and feminine piece. Next, one of the most versatile basic essentials, it's a white shirt. I really like bottom-up shirt and currently have multicolors in my wardrobe. I'm actually don't know why I don't have a white one. Probably for the basic wardrobe, I would stick with more neutral colors like a light blue and the beige. And in Florida, fall, spring, and summer, it's the best season to wear them. Next one, let's talk about basic t-shirts. Basic t-shirt is one of the versatile, effortless, and adaptable items in a woman's closet. I have few basic t-shirts in my wardrobe, but to be honest, I'm not a fan of t-shirts and I would prefer to wear tank top instead. That's why the capsule wardrobe is different, and we get in that pieces that suits our lifestyle. White t-shirt is essential, that goes with everything. You also might want to get a black one to give a different look, or even some neutral tones. That would be depend of your color scheme. The next top I think everyone should have is oversized or classic blazer, coat or jacket. A black blazer is the key for women to start build that foundation. In my current wardrobe, I have 3 statement blazers. One is black, more neutral colors, and white. Without a doubt, my favorite go-to outwear. I love experimenting with different styles, so I admire how versatile blazer could be. Black is classic. Also, you can add some neutral color. So many different ways to wear a blazer during winter season. These essential pieces instantly pull your look together. A maxi coat is a great staple for any wardrobe capsule. Depending on where you live, if the weather is warmer, rainier, or cooler in the fall or winter, you can choose from the wool coat or a trench coat. This piece can be dressed down with sneakers and a great pair of jeans, or dressed up with a sweater dress and ankle boots. And the last one is leather jacket. Oh my god, leather jacket is one of the versatile pieces that you can have in your wardrobe. Next time when you're choosing a leather motor jacket, make sure you have them a little bit oversized. They quite literally go with everything. You can't go wrong with the classic motor style biker jacket. This is definitely going to be your more versatile and classic option. If skirts suits your lifestyle, then you can choose skirts any length depending on your wardrobe style. I always had an active lifestyle, and at some point I realized that leggings is not the only things in the world for me to wear. Let's look at my skirt collection. High-waisted solid bottom-up denim jean skirt. Since denim is a timeless piece, and maxi or midi, either midi will be a great skirt to have in your basic wardrobe. See what's work for you the best. Skirt's so easy to wear, you can match it with top, short, and sweater. You can wear it with the tights in those cooler days, boots, and sneakers. Next, let's talk about trousers. Pants are just not suit my personal lifestyle, but pants is another versatile capsule wardrobe item because they can be worn with sneakers for that casual look or boots for something more polished. When you're choosing pants, try to get classic black straight leg pants. You can create so many outfits, it's gonna elevate your outfit even more. Alright, next one, as I mentioned, jeans. Jeans for me is everything. I love jeans, no matter if it's slim, high-waist, low-waist, flatter, or it's straight cut. With jeans, you can create endless outfit possibilities. Get yourself a good pair of jeans. If you don't have a go-to pair, opt for something with wider leg. The good basic pair jeans, great ones, will last you for a long time. Alright, so next we will talk about shoes, saving best for last. I want to talk about a great pair of white sneakers. A great white sneakers that must have in your wardrobe for any season. So I do have a big collection of sneakers since I have very active lifestyle. Since as I mentioned, this Nike, they in really perfect condition. I really love them. They look really effortlessly cool. The next pair, again, it's Nike. I got them from ASOS, retro style. They're super cool as well. And the last one is Converse, all white. Aww. I wear them all the time. It's a great feminine style with a little edge to keep things fresh and stylish. Next one is knee-high boots. They match with every style, every look. It adds the brightest, chic pop to every look, whether it's black, white, or bold color. They're basic shoes when you want to stay warm but look stylish and pull together. This one of my favorite knee-high boots. The last things to complete our beautiful capsule wardrobe will be accessorized. Handbags are not only practical, but it's also fashionable and add accent to any of your outfits. If you are minimalist or live in a small space, you could easily get away with having 3 handbags. A simple shoulder bag is the go-to style if you want to elevate your everyday outfits. The crossbody bag is very practical. And the tote bag, I actually just got this one. I don't really have that many things to carry with me, so I prefer for smaller bags. But again, maybe you're that person who likes to carry a lot of things with you. So maybe you have a lot of documents, you carry your laptop, so that's why maybe you need a little bigger bag, or your mom that you need a backpack. Or either you change your clothing from gym, work, school, so you need like a huge bag to carry all these things in. So it all depends on your lifestyle. The capsule wardrobe, it's all about everyday wardrobe. That's a very comfortable and easy to wear and go. Then get a really good pair of sunglasses. We live in Florida and I probably have around 5 or 6 pair of sunglasses. I carry them everywhere, in my personal bag, in my cars, in my bags, home, just everywhere. Then add a nice earrings, necklace, and a watch in your wardrobe to complete your look. Having a capsule wardrobe, it doesn't mean you have to be perfect, but with these small changes, you can definitely dress up faster, easiest, and it will save your money. I would like to hear from you. What do you think about capsule wardrobe? Do you have one? Do you like the idea to have one? Or maybe you're that person who doesn't like capsule wardrobe and it just doesn't work for you. Let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!